Let's not really talk about how bad it got. Hey guys, welcome back to today's video. Today we're going to be cleaning out the refrigerator. I have a bunch of spoiled and rotten food that I need to get out of there. I need to do my dishes and clean some disgusting pans that were left in there. And then just the kitchen's just a disaster altogether because it's just been a long week with the power going out for a few days and not being able to clean up and all that other jazz. Let's not really talk about how bad it got. This all actually happened over the weekend, and I'm just cleaning out the fridge now on a Wednesday because we've basically just been eating out all week, and I didn't want to throw everything outside into the trash before my trash day because I knew it was going to smell very bad. It was very hot outside, and I didn't want any animals getting into my trash, so I literally just left the fridge until today, and so everything is disgusting. Disgusting. Is clean now. It's cleared out. Nothing's dirty. There's only some spills right here on this one, so I'm not going to get like too crazy and wash it all in the sink, but I am going to wipe it down, disinfect it a bit with some spray and some paper towels, and just clean it up a bit. These are the only condiments that I was like deciding on keeping. It's just things that I see out at restaurants. I don't know about the jalapenos. What are these? Jalapenos. I don't even think this is open yet. I'm not sure. So, I think it's good. I don't know. The only other stuff is like these. What is this one? Balsamic vinegar. And what is this? Worcestershire sauce. Do you think these ones are good if I leave them in here? I really don't know. Before, but my mom came over here one day and she put my plastic wrap in the freezer, and it made it so much easier to use it. It's a pain having it in there if you have small freezer space, but if you're working on something where you're wrapping things up that day, definitely throw this in your freezer and it will make using it a lot easier if you're just using the cheapo plastic wrap like this. Okay, I feel like somebody's definitely going to scold me for throwing out all this food. And honestly, like, I really don't want to, but I'm really terrified to just hang on to bad food. Especially the items in my freezer, to be honest with you. I don't even use them that much. I just have them there. So, because there was lots of bad meats and stuff, I don't want to take any chances. I just want to get it all out of there. And there was a spill in here. There's an accident, which means one of my fruit bags or something was open. I don't even know which one. So, you know, everything wasn't properly sealed. So, I'm just going to go ahead and toss it all. And I actually haven't cleaned this freezer in a while. So, this is kind of a blessing that I have to do it because it's very messy. There's like something going on here. This thing, this was my ice. And it literally is going to have to be like put in the water just to unthaw. It's like a big, you know, see there, it's like messy inside of there. And this is basically a big brick at this point. I'm going to have to like put it outside or just run it under hot water. So there's that.
sun strikes by my window, hits my chest right in the morning, like a warning. Could have slept here for days. I felt your heartbeat, felt your mouth breathe, but it's not real. We were close to see the sun, but clouds got in our way, and so
I'm having a really hard time right now trying to get this out of here. I was trying to struggle and work my way to find how to get this to come out, but it doesn't. So I just broke up as much as I can, and I'm just going to use this rag to scoop everything out, as well as just get all this cleaned up. I did find a little spot in here that I'm not happy with. Right here, like there's like a little spot that's kind of got a few speckles in it, and it just didn't want to come off. So I'm thinking that's an organism. In school we used to do things in petri dishes, and that's just kind of what that looks like. So I decided to just let that anti-bac spray sit there so it can break all that up. I'm going to clean it up when I get back, because I'm actually going to put a little bit of bleach on the surfaces in here. I never clean with bleach, but I feel it's necessary this time because I just want to make sure that everything's going to be nice and clean when I put all the new food in here. So okay, so while I was doing this cleaning, after I was done cleaning out the refrigerator, we did pack up and we headed to Aldi and Meijer to do some grocery shopping to restock all the food that we had to throw away. So I did film this as a grocery haul shop with me. If you want to watch it, I will link it for you right here, and you can head over and get caught up with everything.
You gotta listen up, listen up. There's not a thing that I can't get from you. Boy, I don't need that much, need that much. How can I tell you what I wanna do? I never needed you to give me things. I never needed gifts or diamond rings. All I ever need, all I ever need is here with you. There's a place where we can go, where it's always shining like the snow. Listen to your heartbeat, don't you know that I just wanna be with you? Baby, there is a place where we can go, where it's always shining like the snow. Listen to your heartbeat, don't you know that I just wanna be with you? Oh, I can't get enough, get enough. Don't ever let me be away from you. I'm gonna hold you tight, hold you tight. 'Cause you're the only thing that I can't lose. I never needed you to give me things. I never needed gifts or diamond rings. All I ever need, all I ever need is here with you. There's a place where we can go, where it's always shining like the snow. Listen to your heartbeat, don't you know that I just wanna be with you? Baby, there is a place where we can go, where it's always shining like the snow. Listen to your heartbeat, don't you know that I just wanna be with you? You can buy your way into my heart, but you don't see that I just want you.
So I had these sitting in here, and all these boxes right here, they did fit underneath here standing up, But I was just like, if I want to restock this and I don't want to just go to all the same one and hassle through moving them all, so I just stuck them in this crate. There's all different ones in here, and there's more on the bottom. And then I put the remainder of the tall water bottles in here. You can get these crates, I think, at the Container Store and other places, but what I did is I live near a few like convenience liquor stores, and I work at one, so I just grabbed some crates from there. It's not horrible because I have like a slightly farmhouse kitchen, so I say slightly, it's not a lot farmhouse, but I have some inspo in here, so the crates kind of, you know, they kind of fit in there. So I just like to leave them sit on the side of the pantry, so I'm going to start using them for holding extra drinks and stuff.
You said that you needed me like a cargo, you will carry me. I just hope you know my depth, even though it makes no sense. Sometimes I'm broken, too much of emotions. Sometimes I'm the lightning, don't wanna pick a fight with. Everything seems so good, I guess I can't help myself. Would you call me if I'm in the dark? I'm calling up 'cause I'm right under the stars. Would you run on me leaving this mark? But baby, I'm the one who's breaking hearts, one who's breaking.
So the kids are just playing outside right here outside the door while I've been in here cleaning up the kitchen and stuff. So I made them one of these for quick before I start food. It's really late to start dinner, but it doesn't take that long, and it's 3:30 right now. So I just popped this in the microwave for 2 minutes, and I cut it up into little strips, and I'm just going to take it outside for them to snack on. I just wanted to give you a little idea. This is the little shoe clip that I was talking about from Walmart. When you buy slippers and shoes from there, we always get these clips, and I always just use these to hold things together. They work really good. They're like really sturdy too. Okay, this is the last time I'm going to pop in and chat with you guys, I promise. But the last thing I want to share with you guys is just this quick way to prepare your fruit for your kids or for yourself, or to meal prep for yourself if you are watching what you eat. So I always like to just buy some grapes when they're on sale. Typically grapes will go bad extremely fast in this house if the kids aren't in a snacking mode. So what I like to do is I just rinse them all off with warm water. I like to use warm water because they can tend to get quite waxy. And then after you rinse them so much, you can kind of just fiddle with them and squeeze the vines, and the grapes will just pop right off versus having to pluck each grape. And then once I'm all finished with this, I like to just take a handful or two and stick it in a Ziploc baggie. That way they're already pre-portioned out in the freezer, frozen, and the kids can just grab one for themselves, or we can grab one when we're on our way out the door. Either way, but it's done, it's prepared, and it was bought cheap.
You know it's way too late, regretting our mistakes. You got so head over heels crazy. Need to apologize, we went too far this time. Come a little closer, there's something I have to say. I love you and I hate you and I hope you feel the same.
Okay guys, thank you guys so much for watching. I hope you enjoyed today's cleaning motivation, especially if you had to deal with a power outage and needed to clean your kitchen and restock it. So don't forget to give this video a like, subscribe if you're new, and I will see you guys next week.